In response to Assam Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sharma's ban on sale and consumption of beef in public places, Meghalaya Bjp Mla from South Shillong, Sanbor Shullai, has expressed his support for the consumption of all types of edible meat. Shullai emphasized that India is a democratic nation and as such no restrictions should be placed on the dietary choices of individuals from various communities.
Personally, it should not happen in Meghalaya because I condemn and I oppose. You see, when we are traveling every part of the world, and the Constitution of India also there is no law that restrict to ban any kind type of meat to eat. We are traveling all over the world. You will see in Bangkok, Indonesia, Malaysia, in the European country, Asian country, they even eat snake. There is no restriction. Rats, insects, scorpion, they eat. So why should they restrict to eat beef?
But this,
I oppose. Here in Meghalaya, it is your choice. You can eat snakes. We eat dog. I used to eat dog when I'm young. Now also, just 2 months back, my friend, he sent me 1 power dog meat. I eat nicely with my wife. So what? Yeah, it's not good too. Why suddenly you ban? You cannot force. It's your choice. You want to eat snake, you want to eat beef, it's your choice. It should not happen. I will stand firmly. Here will not happen. As far as Sanbor is alive, I'll not ban. This is an independent state. We can eat snake, beef, scorpion, insect, whatever we like. Eat. Enjoy. Christmas is coming now. We enjoy Christmas. Eat everything. New Year is coming. Eat everything. No restriction. Let us enjoy. Happy Christmas in advance and Happy New Year in advance. Thank you. I'm here today as a Bjp Sanbor. So my Bjp style of function is different. So in Assam, the style of functioning is different. Here is a Bjp Sanbor. Yes, I have prepared already. To send my message to the center. A copy I'll be giving to you. I'll send to Dr. Himanta Biswa that we feel bad. We feel so sorry. Should not do all these things. You see, we have the law. We restrict the criminal, but in terms of eatable things, they should not restrict.
Thank you.